Artificial intelligence, AI, refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think and learn like humans. AI-powered systems can be trained to perform tasks such as image recognition, speech recognition, and decision-making. AI systems can be broadly categorized into two types: narrow or weak AI, and general or strong AI. Narrow AI is designed to perform specific tasks, such as image recognition or language translation. These systems are trained to perform these tasks using large amounts of data, and are typically used in industries such as healthcare, finance, and transportation. Examples of narrow AI include Siri and Alexa, which are voice assistants designed to perform specific tasks such as setting reminders and playing music. General or strong AI, on the other hand, is designed to be able to perform any intellectual task that a human can. These systems are not limited to specific tasks, and are capable of learning, reasoning, and self-improvement. General AI systems are still in the early stages of development, but researchers are working to create systems that can simulate human intelligence more closely. AI has the potential to automate certain tasks and improve efficiency in many industries, which could lead to some jobs being replaced by machines. However, it is also likely to create new jobs and opportunities in fields such as data analysis, AI development, and machine learning. For example, in industries such as manufacturing and transportation, where many tasks are repetitive and can be easily automated, AI has the potential to significantly reduce the need for human labor. On the other hand, in industries such as healthcare, education, and customer service, where human interaction and emotional intelligence are important, AI is more likely to augment human capabilities rather than replace them. AI systems can sometimes produce unexpected or incorrect results, especially when they are working with incomplete or biased data, or when they are used in situations outside of their intended scope. Here are a few examples of AI failures. Facial recognition bias. Facial recognition systems have been found to be less accurate for people with darker skin tones or distinct facial features. In some cases, these systems have been found to be more likely to incorrectly identify people from underrepresented groups, which can lead to discrimination and civil rights violations. Self-driving cars accidents. Self-driving cars use a combination of sensors and AI algorithms to navigate and make decisions on the road. However, these systems have been involved in accidents, in some cases due to bugs in the software or failure to correctly interpret sensor data. AI-generated fake news. AI systems have been used to generate fake news stories and videos, known as deepfakes. These systems can be used to create convincing, but false, images and videos, which can be used to spread misinformation and propaganda. Some great achievements of AI. In 1997, an AI program called Deep Blue, developed by IBM, defeated the world chess champion Garry Kasparov in a match. This was the first time a computer program had defeated a human world champion in a match under standard chess tournament time controls. In 2011, an AI program called Watson, also developed by IBM, competed on the quiz show Jeopardy! And defeated human champions Brad Rutter and Ken Jennings. Watson was able to understand and respond to natural language questions, making it a significant achievement in the field of AI. In 2017, an AI-powered robot named Sophia, developed by Hanson Robotics, became the first robot to receive citizenship of any country when Saudi Arabia granted her citizenship. Sophia has made appearances at various events and interviews, and has even delivered a TED Talk.